If you no longer need ZArchiver app on your phone, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall ZArchiver app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to uninstall this app, it's pretty simple. Just go to the app and long press on it, and here you should see we have this option to uninstall. By tapping on uninstall, this will remove the app together with its files. However, if you don't have the uninstall option, then you should see app info option with this simple, or if you don't have this, you should have a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it and this will take you to the app info page where we can also uninstall it from here. So for my case, I'll install using the first method, so I'll just long press on the app and confirm that I want to uninstall by tapping on it, and then finally uninstall. So that's how you can permanently uninstall ZArchiver app. If you need it again, you can now download it through Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.